In this video, I will guide you through using our form builder. It's an intuitive and easy way to quickly build forms and have them on your page in no time. We start from the home page, which is accessible from the top navigation menu. From here, you can create a new form. First, let's give it a name and a description. Now we can select the space and parent page under which we want to put the form, and name the page the form will be added to. If you have collaborators you want to add, you can do so at this stage. However, for this example, let's leave it blank. Now we are on the new page where we can build the form. As you can see, the form macro has been inserted into the page. Simply click on the edit icon, and that will load up the form builder. On the right-hand side, you'll find the main form settings. The form name is already filled in, and you have the option to show or hide it, as you can see live in the preview on the left. You can also disable the border and customize the button text. We leave it as submit for now, but feel free to change it to your preference. On the left-hand side, there's an Add Question button. Clicking on it will give you a list of question types to choose from. Let's start with a short answer question and call it Name. As you select a question type, the right-hand side will provide additional options specific to that question type. For example, you can add placeholder text, choose a character limit, and make the field required. Let's add a couple more questions. We'll add a radio button called Options and provide 3 options. Option 1, Option 2, and Option 3. Each question type has its own settings, but you'll always find them on the right-hand side. Let's add a third and final question type. Let's do a date selection. I'll label it Date. If you need to adjust the format or make any additional changes, you have the option to do so. Building out questions in the form builder is straightforward and easy. If you need to reorder the questions, you can simply click, drag and drop them into the desired order. It is possible to set up conditional fields for your form or survey by assigning rules to certain questions. This can be done by clicking the Conditional Rules button here. You can then show or hide questions based on a respondent's answer, which is a great way to create more dynamic forms that can capture more detailed insights. Once you're done adding your question types or fields, click the Save button. This will populate your input onto the Confluence page. Now just publish your page, and it'll display the form with the questions you've created.